I'm a professional athlete. I was played in the NHL for a short time, and now I'm a professional golfer. So when I saw Dr. Placer, I had already injured my back, and I was in absolute agony. I mean, the pain was where I could barely walk. I could barely do anything. And each day was just a rough time to just get out of bed. And meeting him and what he had done for me, it's just almost a miracle in my end. It was that profound. The way he'd handle things, the way he did things, it was phenomenal. I got to the point where my wife would actually take my legs and have to lift them out of the bed in the morning, and I would have to walk around for probably 10, 15 minutes till I get some blood flow going, and then all of a sudden, I was good for the day. But that was an every morning thing. We have had the spinal cord was a big issue for me. So spinal cord was where the problem is lying at this point, which he is the one who discovered that. Well, with that said, we started with the epidurals, and the epidurals just didn't work on me. So now we've gone into burning the nerve on it, which has had some pretty profound results. And when I finally got to Dr. Placer, it was just unbelievable difference. When you go in with Dr. Placer, he listens to you. He'll spend as much time as needed. He will talk to you as a patient, not as a medical person. I guess it's a little bit different. And that's profound. I mean, it's not a cattle call, which a lot of these places are. I'm sorry to say that, but they are. And you're just in and you're out, and that's it. Take the meds or do the shots or whatever. But he will spend the time with you, and we will go over things. He'll think what the plan is, where we're going, where we're not going. And that is not normal. It really isn't. And I've been to enough of them to say that. And it's something that I really appreciate. Because the one thing about Dr. Placer is that I find as a patient, and being a professional athlete, I've been to a lot of doctors. And he is someone that he will listen to you. And he's very cutting edge. He's very upfront. He knows what's going on in the current market, which is amazing because I looked up some things and I went to him. He knew about them. And he said, well, we're going to look at that and we'll take it as it comes. It's just that kind of thing. And that's where my confidence grew with him. I get up by myself. I don't have the problems anywhere near the problems that I have. I'm not going to tell you that I'm 100%, but we're working on it because I'm still, as a professional golfer, I do a lot of twisting and in your back and all of those kind of things. So I aggravate things, and I know that. And so doesn't he. So we're working on a plan. But during this time, I'm just about pain-free, which is unbelievable, and I never in a million years thought I'd get there.